B-boys, if you wanna help here, you will not help it with squat and this stuff. Because our body is not just jumping. We use different technique. We use here. We use here. I go. We use here. My leg, I go look. So you need to have a strong leg. You go down but you go up. So I am like, okay? So this gives you the right power to kick for strong footwork. Push. Come here. I can just stay. Push here. 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 Okay? Very important thing is two things. Comfort and shape. So don't try to kill yourself. Try to do it in a good shape. Just like this. Just like this. Ha. Bam. Bam. Spider-Man. Go. Turn. Here. Take. Tap. 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 How many of you say, oh, let me make this strong? This is a very important thing, but we never think of it. I practice too much this. I can do power with this. I can do freeze with this. I can even go up. I want everybody just play like this. From here. Again, just like this. Okay, and look, everything here. So, everybody take space and just stay here. Bam, bam, 1, 2, go up, go down, and stuff like this. For me, I believe in one thing. If you jump the steps, maybe you will be here, but you will never be more. Because then you are in a time where you need this step. So don't jump steps. Start from 1 step to 10 steps. Alright? B-boys, professional and non-professional, the only different thing is that the professional, they know what they want. They know what they need. And they fix them weak. So this is what you have to find. Okay, you have 1 day in the week where you just practice foundation. Oh, you are so good at foundation, then in the left side. You know? 1 day is only for power, but you hate power move, you don't like it. Do it, but don't do it in the battle, but practice it, you know? For me, when people say, hey, I don't like power move, can you do it? If you can do it and you don't like it, good. If you can't do it, it's not you hate it, you just can't do it. Same thing when power mover or somebody say, hey, I hate footwork, can you do it? So, if you don't have something, don't hate it. When you have it and you don't like to do it, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you.